Hello, I'm Nadia MacLeod from RP Emery Legal Kits, and we help you cut your legal costs with our online template kits. If you are a commercial or retail tenant, it's likely that having a secure, long-term premise from which to build your business is important to you. You may have invested substantial resources to fit out your leased premises or built a solid business name and reputation in that location. You may think that having a signed lease in place with the property owner is all that is necessary to give you security of tenure. However, there are other steps you need to take to ensure that your leasehold interest in the land is secure. There are two main ways to increase the security of your commercial or retail lease. If there is a mortgage over your leased premises, the terms of the mortgage will likely require the mortgagee's consent before any dealings with the land occur. This means that your landlord will need to contact their bank or finance company to obtain their consent to the terms of your lease. If there is no mortgage on the premises, the best way to protect your interest is to register the lease on title. This way, all parties who deal with the property are put on notice as to your interest in the land. Upon registration, your interest in the land will take priority over any other subsequent interests. For instance, if the landlord decides to sell the premises, the purchaser is obligated to honour your registered lease. Finally, it's important to ensure your lease is set out in an airtight agreement. Here at RP Emery, we offer a range of professionally drafted templates that contain all the information you need to ensure you navigate the law with ease. If you'd like to learn more about this topic or commercial or retail lease templates, check out the link provided below. And if you want to solve simple legal problems, cut costs and take control of everyday issues, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button.